Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sanket and you're watching Sanket's Brush. I make games in Godot on live stream to share my work, and for now I am making a racing game heavily inspired by Trackmania. And I just discovered that my voice was a little low on my last streams because of this. Uh, this was a there was a wrong setting here. Now it is corrected and my voice is clear now. If you hear some crackers noise in background, don't worry, it's Diwali time in India, so people burst crackers. So let's start our project, but before that we want to run some music. Okay, let's start our project. After last stream yesterday, I managed to create the night scenery and it is looking quite good, but I want players to handle that. So I am creating today, I am gonna create a script which will, if there is a night time in the game, then all lights will turn off, including the car headlights. Okay, I added some omni lights and spotlights in my live tscn file, and I have created the first level in the night mode. So I'm going to give you a look how it looks like. Initial look, then we are going to figure out how we can add a option to enable or disable night mode. Okay, this is done, but we are not here for gameplay. We are here to see how it looks in night mode. So there will be frame rate, there will be less frame rate after I start SDFGI, so don't worry about it. Just you will see some jitter. Okay, okay, let's continue. And this is looking, let's see how it works with metallic material. Okay, spectacular bump. Now this is a metal. Okay, you can see each reflection on the metal, and also I disabled the shadows from lights. As I told you in last stream, Godot cannot handle for now Godot cannot handle more than one shadows or more than two shadows at the same time. So I disabled all shadows except the shadow of sun and maybe shadow of the car. Let's see if I enable shadows. Can car produce shadows? Yes, I also disabled the car shadows. I mean shadows of lights of this car. So this is how it looks from inside, or FBB mode. Okay, but the thing is I have to manually do all of this stuff, and I don't want to make it manually, so I'm gonna make a script for this. And first of all, we are going to add a day night switch option in our which script that is autoload script. So here it is, UI elements, and we are going to add not in car but in environment. Camera, here is controls, sounds, graphics. Okay, I think I have to make a label, new label for environment, or okay. I don't have much knowledge in the shader part, that's why I am doing it switch thing and not full day night cycle. I will eventually do that in future, but for now we are going to settle on switch mode and not cycle mode. Okay, variable day night switch day night. Okay, we are going to put this, and this is a bool. And this is going to be, if it's off, or let me just make it night switch only, night switch bool off or false. Okay, or I can just do this. This is our switch to night. Okay, and now I am going to first disable the lights. I'm gonna make a script. Where should I save it? Blender files, lights. Okay, switch day night, or switch night.jd. okay, and Blender files light, let's create it, and it have only one function, and that is oh no, I have to make another script for OmniLight. Okay, let's see, can I use only light L light 3D. Light 3D, I think it will work. So what are we going to do is, if night mode is on, or switch night is a little bit tricky word, so night mode, I'm going to write it in night mode. Okay, this is more familiar word. Let's make it quick and easy. Okay, UI dot night mode, dot night mode, or let's see if it works or not with only extended of light 3D. And okay, it works, nothing crashes. And I'm going to put this script on every light present in the scene. Okay, here it is, and select all. What is okay, I was that's a dumb thing to do. I was not actually dragging the script, but I was dragging the whole scene inside the same scene. And I was like, what? My brain got hanged. And we are using same script for the lights, spotlights. First of all, I might maybe I did something with the lights. Okay, here I used the shadows enable disable on the lights. Maybe let's say here is a light one. Okay, I did the I joined the UI.shadows value to my car lights, so we are not going to do this. We don't want shadows from anything else except sun, because it will take a lot of load. Okay, we don't want these two things here. Let's see if there is an error. No error, that's good. Again, I forgot to check the bitrate thing. I'm sorry guys if video is a little bit uh, long, or I'm talking taking a lot of time to talk a single thing. Okay, but the thing is I don't want any errors because there are a lot of scripts which are entangled with each other. Okay, what was I doing? Okay, there are lights, and here it is. So let's see. For now, the where is that? The UI elements. Okay, this is false. Night mode is false. That means each light should be disabled except sun in the scene. Let's see if this works. Okay, it works. Okay, let's do it. And now I'm going to put a I think I okay, let's put it, let's not think too much and let's do some work. Here's our, these are lights, there are objects, checkpoints, roads, etc. In here we are going to settings and add a one more thing. Controls, where should I add it? Should I add it here? Okay, we are going to label it night mode, and same here, Control C, Control V, and Control V, night mode. Same here. No, we don't need this environment. I should write here environment. We are going to change this to type check button. Why is it like this? We will take this button, paste here. Okay, why it is expanded? Again guys, if you are watching, if you are trying to use Godot, the most confusing part of Godot is the UI. I am still uh, learning the UI part. Learning, I means it is really confusing part. The UI part is, because all settings are in this one section right here, and I have to find by scrolling each section. First of all, let's uh, disconnect this uh, node from the script and re-enable it up in the menu section, in menu node. And night mode. And let's reconnect the node in menu. Let's label it environment. Guys, 1 second. So this is what YouTube is telling me. I don't know for now what is this, but after this stream I promise I am going to see what this thing is. Okay, this is for later. Let's put it down here. You go up there, and our script is looking neat. Okay, button toggle. Here's the interesting part. So whenever we toggle the button, UI dot night mode is button pressed. That means it is true or false. And I think I should use and one more thing, the most difficult thing to do now is changing the sun strength, not changing the sun strength. This is that is easy part, but changing the this energy multiplier. Okay, if the night mode is there, first of all let me make a note on this. There are a lot of I'm not able to do this new note thing. I just started using it for 3 or 4 days and it is quite handy. I can make reminders in this. So what was I doing? Okay, let's see the strength of uh, strength, where is strength? Okay, energy. What if I just do this? Okay, it's not about energy, but it is about color. Let's note the color. Oh no. Okay, this is 2 and color is this. What is this color? Let's note it. Let's save it on desktop. Name. And second one is, I know that is full color, full white color. So this is light and this is what we have for now. And energy is staying the same. Let's make a script for sun and night mode or NM. If UI.night mode is true, then we are going to make self dot light color equals this. else. Same, but okay. What happened? Okay, okay. Okay, sun is done. Now we are going to world environment, and okay, why didn't I just used this script? Let's delete this script because we don't want too many scripts. Okay, and in here let's make us different sections for different things. Here let's label it sun. Or night mode. You are going up. And environment energy, let's see about that. 3D, so this is default environment energy. And what was our energy? No, I didn't put it down in the notes. Okay, let's see what energy should we use. Point 1. Okay, point 1 looks good. Let's see how it looks in here. Okay, this is much better than before, where I reduced too much energy. Okay, 0.1. Self energy multiplier. What's the property name? Background energy multiplier. So we are using we are here using the script to make some changes in the game. Background energy multiplier, if true then it's 0.1, if false then it is 1. काय ग? दार बंद कर. मी त्याचा फिल्टर बंद केला आहे. माझा आवाज जरा असा घुसमटल्यासारखा येतोय त्याच्यामुळं. हो होय. तेवढं चालतंय. उघड दरवाजा. So let's see. Here is. I hope it works at first try. Oh, I almost forgot to update my the script, light script. Close all. There is a light in Blender files. Light, here is light. It's not on ready. It should be on. Process delta. Okay, let's play our first level. Okay, here lights are off. What about our car light? Okay, it is also off. And what if I turn on? Okay, the night mode is on. For now we are settling on this instant switch mode. चालतंय. लॉक केली. Guys, if you are playing this, if you are seeing me on first, if you are seeing me first time, for your information, I am also working on my English. That's why my English is little broken. So let's continue. Okay, there is night mode and lights are on. Night mode off, lights are off. Well, how much time did it took to make this? Sorry. How can I see the time? Okay, it's half and 8 hour, half hour and 8 minutes or 38 minutes. That was quick. Now I am going to put my lights on each level. If you are new to the stream, you can see my previous streams where I actually worked. For now, I'm just going to decorate my other 6 levels with the lights. Okay, how did I did it on? Let's close all of other scenes here, so we can focus on only one scene. Save it. Let's add node 3D and name it light. On last stream, some viewer asked me that what is the best part of making games, and that is okay. So he asked what is the best part of making games is enjoying the process of making games. If you are not enjoying the process, then you should not or I mean the thing is you have to work at first, but if you know most of the things and you are still not enjoying the making games, then it's not worth it. Maybe you like level designing only and not entire coding thing, which I love to do. I love to code and also design. Before I knew coding, it was almost impossible for me to write a single script, but I got used to it. I wrote code, I practiced. It's like making an art. Until you know how to shade, how to make, how to see the lights, how to see everything in geometric, uh, in some basic geometries and put it down on paper, and then you will start enjoying the making enjoying of making art, drawing. Just uh, game development is just like that. Until you don't know, you don't enjoy things. When you start knowing things, then you start enjoying things. All mathematicians are also like that. Until you know something, you are not enjoying it. So first give some time. If you really want to make games, then give some time to your brain, yourself, your body. No, not your body, because what I'm sitting here, what's the part of body? It's just hands, muscle memory of typing code. But yes, you should give time for yourself. You have to become selfish, a little bit selfish, if you want to become a game developer in very less time. Okay, what's wrong here? What should I do? Let's make a I have plenty of lights here. Let's use this light. I didn't use this light in previous map. I should work on my this big thing. I am thinking too much before talking. I should reduce this because this is not good for listener. They might just be waiting and saying, what is it thinking about this much? Oh no, where is it? Okay, 3. Okay, this is good. Did I made this on stream or off stream? I forgot. But let me show you the basic code. I just I used the same code with trees and little bit modified for the rotation of focus light. You can see the code right here. Okay, this is the whole code. Okay, let's save our progress and let's continue. And one more thing I just realized in uh, yesterday after stream that I cannot scale the lights. These lights. I can scale only the mesh, the 3D scene, 2D scene, but not lights with the same mesh, which is actually good thing. It gives you more control over lights. If you are seeing me first time on this stream, then you can know this is 7th part of my game progress stream, game in Godot Live. And on first day I was very nervous about what will happen. Will viewers come to my stream, watch me, etc, etc? Will light go on when my stream is on? And yes, light actually gone. Light was actually gone. Before this stream I tried, I was just about to make a stream and light gone. Light is gone. And I was like, oh no, not now. I hope this many lights don't bother the mobile device when I run this game on my mobile. Doing good. I hope everything will go fine if I just ignore this some errors, because you should never touch your code if it is working fine. Doesn't matter how many errors are there. Okay, I was saying this from last stream, but that's not good. You should always correct your code to zero errors. There will be some errors, uh, like if just you have to have some idea what are you what are your errors are actually. Then it's fine to not to think about that errors much. If you have some idea what are those errors about. Wait, is this tree? The tree is getting in my way. Okay. Recently I was listening to the podcast of that what is his name, of that Amazon guy, which is getting popular each day on Instagram. And man, I didn't know I didn't know things about what's going on in Amazon rainforest. Things are looking bad, actually bad. I hope people stop cutting trees for gold in Amazon rainforest, but yes, of course. And also he said something about burning trees for gold on in Amazon rainforest is like burning the house to boil the water, something like that, which which hits me actually. Okay, we are now going to switch on our. Now we might use some other lights because we are using the same light for last and this uh, what is this level. Oh, not you. Let's see if what happens if we. Is this changing? Okay, okay. This is good, but this is much better. And this is just too much. These lights are looking good. Let's keep using these lights. These are expensive lights, not because of I'm not talking about price, but expensive in case, in the sense that high polygon lights. These are high polygon lights. There are lots of triangles, but these are looking pretty. That's why we are going to use them. Just a typical human logic. Something is pretty, then save it. Something is not pretty, then nobody cares about it. And also I think we don't have to let's make it rotation 0. So we are making it 0 for the sake of it. Okay, let's select the light. Let's start duplicating. Let's hide trees for a second. Let's focus on our lights for now. This is extra light. And we are looking good. Let's see if our lights are overlapping with trees or not. What is the frame rate? And that's a little bad thing. His frame rate should not be under 300. What should we do now is, I think I will pass this problem on future of me, tomorrow's me. I tried to add lights on up there, but the big lights, Godot hate big lights. It didn't work. It doesn't work for this time. Maybe in future Godot will make some corrections with that. Okay, this is our second level. Let's check it out. Okay, the lights are off, that's good. And we are turning our night mode on, and lights are on. And what is our frame rate? It's 60. Nice, that's what we intended. Now let's see what is the max. Okay, we are around 150. That's good. I also want to make I want players to make levels like this inside the game and share that levels, but for now I don't know much about saving the levels. I know about saving the values and integers, and I should use I might use the JSON script for that. And to save score I will use Godot inbuilt saving thing, which is apparently now a little bit different. It is changed and I haven't touched that part of Godot 4.01 or 4.2, which is the current uh, which is the current which is the current that version. Godot current version. Okay, Godot. Okay, this is the latest version, and the saving thing, that is integers, floats, is a little bit different now. So I have to study about it. Then we will start making saving part of the whole game. I still don't have any saving part because I don't know the how it is done in new script. Okay, let's go on our third level. Okay, where is levels? Oh, dump me. I am finding the levels in Blender files. This is level 3. And here we are going to hide our objects first. Let's hide them and add lights. First of all, let's add parent node. Guys, if you are watching this stream and have any questions, then ask me without hesitation. I am here to share my knowledge or my work in Godot, in game development. I would be more than happy to answer your questions. Okay, let me confirm. Let me tell you that for now, I'm going to put only lights on all levels. So you can maybe uh, skip to the point where I complete the whole light thing. For now, I have 8 levels. You can see right here. Now I am on level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is a little bit time consuming process. So if you want to skip to the point where I finish that, then go ahead, because here I am just doing is putting some lights on some levels. Okay, let's see what light should we use now. I think we will use this same light. Hmm. I think I should fast forward this process after completing the stream and in editing. Then okay, for this let's add a single light. You guys know which that light is, what I'm talking about. This dual headed, double headed light, and let's make it big. This will work. Let's see. Yes, okay, and here light comes. Oh, one is good enough. One light is good enough for now. Okay. test the level. This is daytime, this looks good. This is our night time. This is also looking good. See our that map up there. Let's see what if we turn off all shadows. The difference is unnoticeable without shadows or with shadows, because we have only one shadow which Godot allows, and that is our sun. Okay, next. Oh, no. I forgot to make the. I was remembering. I felt like I forgot something. I forgot to make trees visible again. Okay. Let's see how this works. This is the last time. Okay, this is without on. What a dumb thing to do. This is our night mode. Hey, this is looking quite nice. Let's see how will it look like with STFGI enabled. This is also looking good. Okay, I will do the rest of the work off stream. For now, let's say if you want to ask me something about what is the script behind this thing and what is script behind that thing, then I'm more than happy to show you my work. That's why I am here on YouTube, and maybe, just maybe, from next time, tomorrow, I will be streaming simultaneously on Twitch also. I don't know, because I have never streamed on Switch before this. And again, one more thing, I want to show you my sketchfab page. I just started it before maybe 3-4 months. Okay, here is my sketchfab account. That's me right there, and these models I have. This was my first car, by the way. This was my first car of the game I'm making now that you are watching. Then I made it just a little bit advanced. I worked on it. By the way, all of these assets are for free. You can take it, use it for anything. And this is whole procedural thing. And also I put procedural things on sketchfab which do not work with uh, don't which don't work with sketchfab uh, flawlessly. That's why you are not seeing any shaders here. These are blender procedural shaders, and this grass is also moving. And same with this, but modifiers are working with sketchfab. That's fine. That's good actually. The all modifiers. This is the main body, but I'll show you the actual work on it now. So so you can download this. I'm going to use this in my current project as a driver, because you can see the car is empty from inside. And yes, you can see this is just my some designing thing. I created a peacock, and also with the horse again I said the materials. I was talking about materials, so let me show you how this actually looks like. Okay, how this actually looks like. For now I am gonna close this project, and let me show you how that actually looks like. uh, as you know, if you noticed, I didn't use blender 4 because I don't want any file of mine to crash. Why am I deleting the cube? Oh no, it's just the muscle memory to delete the cube. Okay, this was our project. We'll on last stream. After last stream I worked on it. Light scene, and where is my blender 3D, and here it should be somewhere. Okay, where it is. Okay, here it is. I accidentally moved my camera. Save it, don't save. Okay, now we are not going to move our camera. I'm just going to show how it looks like. Okay, okay, this is how it looks like. It is a little bit grainy. Let me just, and this is how it looks in animation. I am not putting it on high poly, or it will take some load. As you can see, my OBS is also on, and I just noticed my camera is off. WTF with my camera. What's wrong with this thing? Okay, let's pause it. What is up? with my camera. Okay, I'm back. Okay, and again with the horse I'm going to show you horse from here, and here's the driver or pilot, whatever you want to say, and this is the actual mesh. You can see I am using modifiers for my convenience, and this is very easy thing to use, making a low poly object and stacking a modifier on it. First of all, what I use, okay, I use mirror, then after that I use subdivision surface, and if you download that file you will see the same thing. Where's my horse project, which is completely made out of, okay, here it is. Let it load. Okay, so you can see this is actually how it looks like. Can you see it? Because it is just because it is procedural material, that's why you cannot see it in sketchfab, maybe, I think so. But if I use the metal and use alpha, what is that, and reduce the alpha value, then that glass will work fine. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. So there are some guns, I mean the 3D models. These are the 3D models which I have. You can use it for anything you want. And also this astronaut thing, I made this, so I wanted to make a game like Among Us in 3D, but I failed because I was at very beginning. It's almost like 1 year now, maybe 2 years, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to remember things. The time, assume time, it's hard to assume time of. And also this, I made this in my free time. You can use the spider in your games. It also have the rig, not the man here, mannequin. You can use these parts, use it in your geometry node setup. Okay, for now if anybody is watching the stream, I am here for 5 minutes more. If anybody is watching this stream, anybody want to ask me any questions, I am here for 5 minutes. That means 11:05, almost it's 6 minutes, 7 minutes, but it's okay. You can guess. I'm here. If anybody have any questions, anybody accidentally stumble on my stream in last 5 minutes, then I might go some, then I might stay live for some more 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see. Okay. I'm getting bored now. Do I have any games? Okay, let's play some Peggle Deluxe. I'm here for some questions. If anybody have any questions for game development in the subject of game development, you can ask me. I am watching. There is the okay, let's play. I don't know something about this game. This game makes me relax. Let me just reduce some music voice or okay. Okay, now we have only 5 minutes. I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. Oh, maybe 4 minutes actually. I'm going to wait for 4 minutes and then I'll stop the stream. Nobody is there to ask any questions. Of course, for now there is nobody's watching, but I'll still stay. Maybe someone stumble on the stream and ask me any question. And from tomorrow I'm again repeating this. I'm tomorrow also on Twitch. I don't know how Twitch works. I know Twitch, but I never streamed on it before. So that will be the new experience for me. Let's see if you can complete the level. Okay. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's make it. What is? No. Okay. Okay, only one, and I have two balls. Oh, don't worry. Oh no. First you pedal. I wanted one more. I think for now I'll stop here. Quit. Quit. Why it is not quitting? Okay. Okay guys, I'm almost done. Okay, it's 11:05 and nobody asked me any question, so I'm going to stop the stream now. Let's close the music and have a good night. Stay healthy, stay safe, and bye bye.